So here's how to fix Discord installation has failed error on Windows 10 and Windows 11. So first you want to right click on the start button, click on run, and then you want to type %sign app data, %sign again, and press enter. Now in here you want to find a folder called Discord, and then right click on it and click delete. Now once you delete this, you can close the folder and then open the run command again. And then you want to type local updata with the same %sign, and then press enter or OK. And you will need to look for a folder called Discord as well. Right click on it and then click delete again. And once you delete this folder, you can close out of this. And now you should try again to see if that solves the problem. Now, if the problem persists, you will need to right click on the task manager or the taskbar and then open the task manager. And then you want to search for Discord if it's running. You want to right click on it and end task on all processes to completely close Discord. Now you can close the task manager, and then we will simply need to open our browser and then navigate to Discord or search for Discord and then click on download. Now click on download for Windows, and once this downloader completes downloading, we will need to start the installer as admin. Now once the installer or setup is complete, you will need to drag it to the desktop, and then you want to right click on it and then go to compatibility tab and then check run as admin or run this program as admin. Now click on apply and OK, and then double click on the installer to start the setup again. Now once it finishes setting up Discord, it should run it automatically, and that should fix the problem. But if for some reason you still have an issue with it, the last solution is to right click on the taskbar and open the task manager. Now go to services tab and then at the bottom click open services. Now in the services list, you want to look for Windows installer. So this one right here. Now double click on it, and then if it's not running or it says it's stopped, you want to click on the start button and wait for it to start the service. Now you want to click on apply and OK. Now you will need to try to reinstall Discord again and make sure your network connection is also good and is not causing the problem. Maybe you have a slow network connection, and that should solve the issue that you're having with the installer or installation has failed. Thank you guys for watching, and subscribe.